sweetie. Did you hear that?
Oh no!
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Outside the
iPad? Oh, Ozzy's using the iPad. We've been up for a while.
only thing I read.
Trying to just make this Sunday morning peaceful. You guys remember when I used to name my hairstyles? This one is called half up, mostly down. Anyway, made these two breakfasts. The other two are asleep. Teenager is asleep. Daddy is asleep. Dogs are fed. Cat is fed. Although I do need to get cat food today and a new cat bowl for our little cat. And I actually need to re-up on some of our doggy animal vitamins. So I may actually have to go and do that. This fly! Jesus Christ, have you guys noticed the influx of flies? Somebody said to me it's a post-hurricane thing, but no, man, this is next level. I had to check if my mango tree was in bloom. Yeah, and I feel like I'm spending this morning really thinking about solar. I got our JPS bill and I'm just like, I can't do this anymore. And I know I say that every month, but I'm dead serious. I can't do this anymore. So I'm going to be spending some time this week really figuring out how we're going to make this happen. Yes, sweetie.
Fisher.
Sing good morning to you. Go on.
Good morning to you. How did you do? In the morning to baby Abby.
Beautiful, mommy. Well done. Thank you.
Oh.
You going to keep it? Okay, cool.
Morning to morning.
Nicely said. Good job, honey. Okay, you want to film out there? Let me turn it around for you. You're welcome.
Morning to morning to morning. Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good job, Ivy. Yes. Thank you for that little Ivy break. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be making that happen. Careful. No pinching, Ivy, no pinching. I'm no hitting. You know what? Let me go get it. Okay, alright, yeah.
Hi. What is this? Dress? What's her? People? I saw she do her thing. She just go in her room, get her dress that she want to wear, and come and bring it to us. But what you dressing up for? Because today's Sunday, you want to put on Sunday best? What a girl. Sweetie. Tami, she carry dress, come give me.
She's making a mess. That's what she needs, not a dress. You have to clean up the mess.
I just wake up, watch the place. The place is in a shambles.
Show them the truth and the matter.
Jeez,
Look around this house. Them just throw down everything.
Watch her. Toys everywhere.
One thing we learned is that the mess can clean up.
Yeah.
And it's, not
Once
a big
we
deal.
team up.
Yeah, it can clean up. So sometimes it's just easier to just let them run amok and then you just clean it up.
Yeah.
And they help to clean up. Ivy's very good at cleaning up.
Yeah. She's very helpful.
Daddy.
Yes, Bookie. Look.
She loves to build. I'm actually going to go get her some more blocks today because she spends a lot of time building. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Show Daddy how you stack them up. Good job. Excellent.
Wow.
It's fine.
What color is that?
Yeah.
What's
No.
that?
It's green.
No.
It is.
No.
So what color is it?
Yellow.
No, it's not yellow. It's green.
No.
I promise you it's green.
No.
Okay.
I think gonna be a liar. Look like
Green. Very good.
green. She can be a liar, Tami. It looks so.
Help us, God. Having a bad headache. What color is that?
I love yellow.
That's yellow. Good job.
You got it.
Up.
But you see, that's what she will do before.
Up.
Wow.
Get it. You can get it. You need help? You got
She
it.
know her bunks down
You
her
can do
creation. No, if you put that on there, I carry you for ice cream today.
Oh, stop.
If you balance that on top,
Thank you, Daddy. She's so polite.
Pieces.
That's orange.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm telling you.
Yellow.
No, it's not yellow.
No.
Okay.
she just want to practice for
Anything
talk.
you want to
This
say.
is.
You put it on there. See if it will fit. Ready? Put it on, put it on, put it on.
Oh, she's straightening it up, you know.
Yeah!
Yay! No.
Yellow.
Here you go. Do you want to
Wow.
Yellow.
Guys, you know, so I have to go
Ready?
carry her
Hold
for
on,
ice
wait,
cream.
wait. Ozzy, look, she found more blocks, man.
You know, I have to go carry her for ice cream now.
Ozzy, no.
She's actually showing a lot of good
Hi, Billy.
good creative skills at her age to be balancing so many
She loves to do it with the Jenga blocks, too. Go ahead, put those on top. Can those fit on top? Let's see. Careful, Ozzy. Careful, Ozzy.
as they bounce it down.
Look.
No, as they don't do that. Don't do that.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7.
Yay.
No.
Okay.
Oh my god. No man. It's too much. She just born her there. And here we are. Me can't manage. Oh, how sweet it is to be young and fresh and just out the gate. People, trust me, of late, too many calls to say, this one's sick, this one going through that, this one passed away. Again, it's just a cycle of life. I just saw God design it, you know? We all need to take note of how it goes. You have your glory years, you have your years where you're strong, you're healthy, you're fit, you play your sports, you do your thing, and then there comes a point when we all reach up, we reach over the hill, and then we're coming down again, and you have to just, I guess, gracefully take every phase of life as it comes and grab the bull by the horn. It's just trying to be as healthy as possible and for as long as possible, and that's just the truth. And guys, right now you don't know, so me in my Aki because Premier League start, English Premier League start back, so you know, say a pure excitement a weekend time again. So it's a good look, people. Drop in the comment section which team you bring, if a Liverpool, if a Man City, if a West Ham, if a Newcastle, you understand, if a Chelsea. Drop it in the comment section which team you bring. Where my UK folks at? I know you have your team, lads. Come on, drop it in the comment section. Hello. How could I left out Arsenal in it? You get me? That's what's up. Yeah. Aston Villa. Yeah. Tami, you dress up though.
I forgot to get some stuff on the road. I'm probably gonna just go to Fontana because I have to get some cat food.
Okay.
And I have to get some. Oh, I have to get the cat a new cat bowl. I
Okay.
noticed today that he needs a new bowl. And I can't open this. Can I open this?
You have to vlog it diligently, okay?
There's nothing to vlog. I'm just going to Fontana.
What do you mean? You can vlog that.
It won't be like a part of the vlog.
That's what we do though, we vlog.
Oh my god, you want to see my new favorite drink, guys? No. This is for anybody out there who loves like a liquor drinky drink. Wait, you have to show them the actual bottle. But it's a lemonade mix and them have a ginger beer mix too. And I just take 2 pumps, which is basically 2 tablespoons of it.
People are gonna feel like you promote the people in product, you know.
It's true. Maybe I shouldn't show them. Anyway, it's a lemonade mix.
It's not water, it's sparkling
Water, but you can add regular water for it. It tastes like lemonade, and I'm telling you, it's one of the best lemonade mixes you'll ever taste in your life.
Let me show you the back of people.
And it's a Jamaican product.
Is that Jamaican product? You sure?
I'm telling you, I checked it yesterday.
Yeah.
It's made in Jamaica.
Okay.
And somebody in the supermarket the other day said to me, get the fruit punch too.
Yeah, we'll have the fruit punch.
But I don't love the fruit punch as much as I love the lemonade.
Okay.
And that way, you know, listen, I'm a reformed soda head, so I find ways to be able to every now and again enjoy a little.
That coming like Sprite, you make me cool though.
It's like a lemonade, yeah.
Alright, anyway, I'm gonna go watch my match. Man City, I play Chelsea right now.
Oh God, you just listen out for the children, please.
Yeah.
Atlas is awake, so he hasn't had breakfast yet. That's all on you. I fed the little. It's your turn.
Alright. Hurry up and come back.
Alright, I love you.
I love you.
See you later. Listen out for my
Why if I
CDs.
see you later, it sounds very
Far?
later, yeah.
Oh, you know, I've been up since 6 a.m. So you're it. Tag, you're it. Wait, Atlas hasn't had breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Ozzy and Ivy they might need a little snack.
Yeah. Alright.
Hello! Jackson! You're awake!
I've been awake, but.
I soon come back, okay?
Where are you going?
I have to just run to the pharmacy
Okay.
for a few hours.
I'll eat. Jackson eat already. We can we don't know what clock is striking. Daddy at work. Can I tell Daddy?
That is working. He's even giving me word last time. Really good.
Don't tell anybody to me get candy in the morning.
But I ate first, so it's good parenting.
Rookie Sunday steak though.
No, because I ate first, so it's
You
good
ate
parenting.
first.
Good parenting.
Alright, thank you.
I almost forgot what I came here for.
What are you doing?
Just getting Ivy some water.
She asked you for water?
Yeah.
What?
She came up to me and she said, more water.
Yeah.
And I was just like, okay.
Big brother works.
It's just cause like I had to get her water like just 2 or 3 times yesterday.
Okay. So she
Now
knows she can
now
depend on you.
but now she might overuse me.
No, there's
I
no
might
such thing.
overheat.
There's no such thing. Did we ever say you're overusing us as parents? It's just how it goes, bro. You're a brother. You're a big bro.
I'm a big girl to 3.
Exactly. And when Gio leaves, when Gio leaves, you're gonna have to be captain of the team. You know that. No. When he leaves, like when he's like, Gio is going to be 19, so eventually he'll leave. He'll go and make a life for himself. You understand? And then you're gonna have to be the
Are you serious
boss.
right now?
Yeah.
Well, good thing that's we still have a little bit of time at least.
Yeah, man, we do.
Look at where I
We have
stopped
to
the
cherish the
water, Dad.
moments. Carry that in for your little sister. Guys, you know Ivy is helping to clean up. So sweet. Look at that. She helped to pick up everything that was on the ground. Look at that. You my sweet girl. Thank you so much, mommy. When we team up, Make her easier clean up. Ooh. Underneath she gone. Not tell a lie. Ozzy and Atlas them. Jackson now go underneath the clean up. Good work. Good work, clean up crew. Awesome. Uh-oh, I have a feeling she think it's mess up time again though. Thank you. I thank you for being such a helpful little girl. If another one, I get it. Watch out. Wow, you get a pear. You find a pear under there. Did it appear to you? Alright. What's that? Banana. Good girl. Bye-bye, Nana.
So the cutest thing just happened, and I met a young man who is going into grade 5, which means he must be at least 10 or going to be 10 soon. And he was such a lovely young man, and he came up very confidently with his parents and said that he wanted to meet me. And then he told me that he's a YouTuber as well, but he's a gaming YouTuber. And you know, I was talking to his parents and just saying, you know, I really hope that you're encouraging him. And they're like, oh yeah, he has his channel, he keeps his very high average, and he has a gaming YouTube account. And I was like, what's your YouTube account? And he told me it is Frosty Edits LOL. So for all of the kids out there, and this is what I said to him, I said, you know, our Jamaican and Caribbean kids who also like to watch all of these gaming things, because my kids love to watch gamers, it would be nice for them to have representation, even just by hearing accents like our own. And so I said to him, keep going. I said, I'm gonna see if there are any MTM kids out there who love to watch gaming who would check out his channel. So I'm bigging up his channel, which is Frosty Edits LOL. Check it out. And I won't say his name because he has a faceless account, and I believe he's obviously maintaining his anonymity. That's how you say it? Yes. Very respectful and lovely young man. Kudos to his parents. I really love to meet kids who are, you know, so confident and trying out new things, you know, like it's such a big deal in this world. So nice to meet you, kiddo. And again, lovely to meet your parents. And like I said, if you love gaming and you want to check out a new channel, he says he plays Roblox. You can check out his channel. Why not? I just have a feeling it's good. I've never checked it out, but I have a feeling it's very good. Nice to support another local Caribbean content creator. Well done, young man. All right, I am heading home now, and I'm so excited because I bought some things to put together a little craft kit for Ivy. So I am going home now to put it together because we keep losing all of the little craft things for her. So I'm just, and her crayons and all that stuff. So I'm putting together a little kit for her. But I invested in a block set for Ivy, which I'd seen at Fontana many times, and I just didn't pick it up. And today I went and I saw it was the last one there. I was like, oh boy, it's gonna be gone. You know, when you mean to get something and then it just keeps going and going and going, and then before you know it, it's not there anymore, and you kick yourself because you're like, I wish I got it. But you know, you guys saw that she loves to build and she loves to construct things and balance things. So I thought, why not get her a little gift that supported that, you know? All right, I'm gonna go home now and see what everybody's doing. I'm sure everybody's hungry, so let me figure that out, and then get Ivy down for a nap, and we'll keep it moving. All right, see you at home. Hi guys.
Hi.
Can you help me count these cars?
Ivy! Hi, Alice! Thank you.
We missed you.
Oh, I missed you guys too. I wasn't gone that long.
Oh yes, you were.
But it was not even an hour, guys. Ivy, look what I got for you! No, did you see that face? What is it? Show Daddy what you did a while ago. Show Daddy this. That's heavy. Hold on, wait a second. Let me get this yours. We just do one at a time, okay? Are you so happy? You like these?
That's it. You know this square?
What do you say?
Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
Everything can fit in the square.
And they have different ones, Wayne. So you have like another set of stuff here that have different things, but you can start with that, you know? So cool, right?
She just helped me to clean up.
She did?
Yeah.
Great. And look, Jack, they have math ones with division and multiplication signs. Oh, this is proper. Oh.
They really take
Nice.
kids in like
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome, honey. Kiss mommy. Oh, sweetie. Did you hear that? Uh-oh. This morning when I turned on the TV for her, thank you, mommy.
She's very polite and pleasant.
Very polite and pleasant.
And demure.
And demure and mindful.
And mindful.
cutesy. So guys, I just made this cute little arts and crafts bag for Ivy. And if you open it, it's just one of those like makeup bags. And inside, it has everything. Can you guys see this? Let me see. But it has like
a pencil
a little
case,
pencil case which has, you know, crayons
some
and
jumbo chalk.
some, what is name again? Pencils.
Yeah.
And then in here we have her little letters that are just like spongy, foamy letters which you can use for stamping.
Wait, mom.
I'm gonna put some more of her. Maybe I'll put like some blocks in this side for her. Then on this side we have a couple books, like her first word book, some stickers, which is always fun when she's doing her little arts and crafts. And then in this section here we have some jumbo coloring chalk. We have some index cards. These are great because she loves to write. Oh, I should put this with the books, but this is her everyday words books, which is great. And we have some flashcards as well. So I just thought it would be nice, you know, for myself or Momo or Tisha to be able to just have these on hand. Alice, could you pass some more? Oh, what shape is that? Diamond. Let's add some of these. Oh, Ozzy, I forgot to tell you, I got these books for you.
Wow.
Yeah, so maybe myself or Atlas could read those too. So I'll add some more of the index cards to it.
I love index cards.
Yeah, these are really for when you can actually go outside and draw with these, but I'll keep them in here for now. Yeah, and then you just, that way everything is all together. You don't have to look around, and then you can keep adding to it. And then I also got a coloring book, an activity book, and 2 jumbo scrapbooks because they just come in very handy. Yeah. I guess if you are traveling, this would actually be a really good idea too, to have everything like this. But I think it's good to have at home like this too. Yes, my love. I also found these I Can Read books as well, and these are for they have all different types of levels. So which one do you want to read? Ty's Travels, Winter Wonderland, or Biscuit and Little Llamas?
Biscuit and Little Llamas.
Biscuit and the Little Llamas. It's a great spring day on the farm. Biscuit, woof, woof.